back here, and again, as you see here, if this was working the way it should, it'd be super dangerous, so kids don't try this at home. Because if you got the correct or running version of this, this should be super hot, and I could not do this with it. Anyway, there's all kinds of things that you could do with this thing to try to figure out how to make it run, which I've done, but it just will not work for me. And again, the tool should detect that this is on, and then I'd be able to raise or lower the temperature with these two buttons, but it's not working for some reason. So just to show you the other things on here, I'm going to unplug it because I don't want to get electrocuted or whatever if something goes wrong. I don't think it would, but just to be safe, I'm going to unplug it.
Likey